Raghu, an 80-year-old man, mastered the art of looking young despite his age. His skin was wrinkled, but his eyes were sparkling, as if he had lived every day of his life to the fullest. His story not only inspires us to challenge age, but also teaches us what it takes to live a good life. Raghu's day would begin with the freshness of the morning. He would often wake up at 4 in the morning and walk in his small garden. Here he would practice yoga while listening to the sound of chirping birds. In every yoga posture, Raghu's body showed signs of flexibility and strength. This routine kept him refreshed not only physically, but also mentally. Water was his favorite companion. Raghu gave prime importance to fresh fruits, green vegetables, and whole grains in his diet. He stayed away from sweets and junk food. His habits helped in improving his skin and keeping it young. After meals, he would read his favorite books or play the guitar, which kept him mentally refreshed. Raghu's social activities also played a vital role in beating his age. He looked forward to spending time with friends and family every week. Laughing, singing, and dancing with them filled him with enthusiasm for life. One day, he offered to teach dance at his local club. While dancing with the youth, he would get lost in the memories of his old days, and this energy kept him young. Raghu's life was full of exploring new experiences. He was always ready to learn new things and take up new hobbies. Recently, he learned the art of painting and painted pictures in his garden. He believed that new hobbies and exciting activities were the best way to defy age. This story of Raghu teaches us that age is just a number. Real beauty comes from youthful mind. He showed us that by keeping our lifestyle, diet, and mental attitude in the right direction, we can feel young and energetic even in old age. Raghu's lifestyle and his perspective make us understand that real youth lies in the art of living each day. His story proves that we cannot make our age a limit to our success, but rather make it a part of our strength and love for life. If you want to listen to more such videos and want to improve yourself with the help of stories, then do subscribe to our channel and like and share in the comments.